In this video, I'm going to show you how you can post on Reddit on the mobile app. So there may have been some confusion if you've tried to post and it's not letting you due to karma issues. And I'm going to explain how you can get around them and how you can essentially post for the first time. So download the Reddit app and log in to your Reddit account. Now Reddit works on karma and it's a bit weird because you need karma to post, but without posting it is hard to get karma, right? So what do you do? Well, what I would recommend you do is have a post in mind, have a community you want to post. So let's say I want to post something in a YouTube community. We could go to the search bar, we could type in YouTube and we can find a YouTube community. So if we go to YouTube, we can click communities and here you'll see all of these communities. Now, if I have a new account and I go and try and post in the r/YouTube community, it's going to tell me I don't have enough karma or my account isn't old enough. And that can be an issue. Now, if it's just a karma issue and it's not letting you post because you don't have enough karma, what you can do is you can go to the YouTube subreddit or any other subreddit relevant to your niche. You can go and start commenting to people. So if you start commenting on people's posts, naturally you will gain karma by people upvoting your comment if it's good and engaging. Now, the second way that you can post and build up karma, you can go ahead and post in smaller YouTube or just smaller communities in general. So I would post in smaller YouTube communities. So maybe I would post in YouTube. This one only has 3,000 members, so it is going to be much easier to post. Let's have a look what else we've got here. Something that we could probably post in, no problem. Ignore all the NSFW, might have to toggle that off for the future videos, but you can see here YouTube third party, we could post in this, and you can just find smaller subreddits that you can post in before you go ahead and build up to the main subreddit that you want to post in. So I know that is a bit annoying, you need karma first, but either reply to comments or post in smaller communities to build up your karma.